Loba tán ẹni a wí fún ọba jẹ́ ó gbọ́ ẹni a sọ̀rọ̀ fún ọba jẹ́ ó gbà. Ní báyìí àwọn ajínigbé ti ya wọ ìlú Shagamu. Gómìnà ìpínlẹ̀ Ògùn Marketi. Alright my people, and welcome back onto this channel. No be small something, still on the matter my people. Yoruba nation, no going back. Exactly wetin e be, exactly wetin the people them they talk about. Alright, my brother, my sister, onto this one, many things they sup. Everybody now don't come outside, they shout. With the news we be say it dey reach us now, my brother, my sister, for Ogun State. Now there if for they happen. Now all the people where they Ogun State now, they no fit sleep again. In fact, all of them they no fit sleep with their two eyes closed again. Waiting happen, waiting sup. Now in carry us come. Now with the news we be say it dey reach us now for our table. They don't talk am now say about 7 people. Now in this Fulani people don't catch again for Ogun State, close to Shagamu. My brother, my sister, anybody where they Shagamu now, see wetin they sup. This one now Ogun State, and how it happened? That one happened for yesterday, will be Saturday in the evening by 5 o'clock. Now the cocoa now be say this Fulani people they don't enter everywhere. They don't dey Ogun State now. They don't dey Shagamu. Where be say the people where be say then catch, then arrest, then pick, then kidnap. In fact, then do many things. And now as we they talk, hey, these Fulani people they catch 7 people for that Benin Shagamu expressway as we they talk. So now this 7 people will be say then catch according to the news will reach also. In fact, one of the people will be say escape. In fact, 2 now them no be say they even escape. Now 2 then release it. Then release the 2 people out of all these 7 people. It happen. One of the person will be say they release a Yoruba man and speak the language to them. That one speak language to them, and then auto waiting he talk. He said then they speak Hausa. Now he speak Hausa language to them. Say I beg, make una help us, make una no carry us go. Now he they come they ask him say you hear Hausa? You be Hausa? They say he come say he no be Hausa. Who you come be? The man come they talk say he na Yoruba man, but he don't stay Hausa before. Say them born am for north. They ask and say which side for north. He say he don't stay Sokoto. He don't stay Kano. He don't stay places. Okay, that is good. They come they tell am say now as you dey so you go just step aside. Me you dey one side, but sure you get money. Now he come tell them say I ain't get small money with am. They say how much you get? They ask am. He say he ain't get it 100,000 naira with some 3,000 naira. And in phone they come say okay, no wahala. They collect the money from him hand. They collect the phone. They come say make him step aside. They say another person will be say then still catch it. Where they still releasing a one Igbo man. According to waiting this man, they tell us say they still catch one Igbo man. That one they can't release that one too. They can't ask and say he ain't get money. He ain't beg. He can't say he can get like 100,000. That one self carry 100,000 give them. Now in they leave those ones. Like I said, the remaining 5 people now in this kidnappers. They say Fulani kidnappers come they talk say okay, una will be the 5 people where remain. Say una get money, all of them say okay then get money. Now in the Fulani people come say una get up to 30 million naira to release on herself. Now in they come say then go try. Hey, my brother, my sister, you get where you go reach. Where they say you go see a bomb, you go see death for your front. But God I beg you, no go be our portion. But the truth of the matter be say nobody only pass. So now in this man as he don't say oh this one na iku. Now he say yeah so I go try. I get it. You get it 30 million. And they waka up and down even in the evening. Now you know enter flight. My brother, my sister. Now waiting with the talk about that. This one where happen. So it happened for Shagamu Benin Expressway yesterday at around 5 p.m. according to the news where they reach us. Now all the people now don't they shout to the governor of Ogun State. Chibi you don't see him. Dapo Abiodun Shebi you don see am. We dey talk of one Nigeria sense. Say we need the state police. So all of una say abeg make una go sit down. Now they don visit Ogun State. Ogun State people, how una dey? Shebi una dey hear wetin dey sup? They don visit Shagamu, close to Shagamu now. In fact, na the state now be Ogun State. Everybody now don dey fear in life. Say which kind thing be this? Wetin dey happen? Wetin dey sup? Dapo Abiodun. Everything now don reach your handle. You need to do something. Kidnappers on Benin Expressway, they are kidnapping people as we speak. In fact, as we speak now, they say out of the 7 people where they catch, say they release 2, and then they don't carry 5 people go as we dey talk. So the thing wey be say e come back for me, wey come dey pay me, dey chocolize me. Now be say they go meet all these police people. You can imagine the people come complain when they don't call you, say okay, see, they don't catch this, they don't do this for road. Police they can't say okay, then go try their best, say then go call you hunters, make they enter inside bush. Meaning police people, them they no fit enter bush. My brother, my sister, shebi you see wetin we dey talk about. You be security personnel, you know sabi am finishing. Your own na to just catch it small theft wey dey straight. You no fit protect the life of your people. Hey, my brother, my sister, which kind country be this? Police say they no fit enter inside bush. Say na only hunter dem go find. All those hunter na their work. Those ones they go fit enter inside bush. My brother, my sister. Now another thing wey be say come dey pain me, wey be say I no even like wetin dem dey talk about now, wey be say e dey go wrong well for this country. Na im be the thing wey be say this Fulani people dem tell this men wey be say dem release, say we release you, but as you dey so, if you like go call the police. You see the Ibon wey we carry, shebi you see this Ibon, dem no born any security personnel well for this una country to get this kind one. Say because this one wey we carry na machine, no be the one wey be say then they give all on a police and a soldier. My brother, my sister, waiting they happen. Now all these kidnappers, they come outside, they let us they know, say like this, so on a security personnel, then be fake people. Say na fake Ibon, then they use them, then they use confirm, then they use Ogbonge Ibon. My brother, my sister, waiting they sup. Now tell me all these ones, so we say then even they boast to say then get a sophisticated weapon. Now waiting you think say then go see continue to they do. My brother, my sister, these people now they go tell you say the security personnel wey una get they no reach. Now this same country we do, me and you, where then say make anybody we be say no get license, make it no carry gun, make it no carry Ibon. But these ones where they even they carry the one way pass the one with the license, they no fit do them anything. Baba God, now your handle with the Yoruba nation, no going back. If they talk them, they go say our mouth it is cement. But maybe they see what in the shop now. They go they say our mouth it is cement, but now it don't enter their side, it don't enter their corner. Now all those people will say them voted for all this governors. All of them, all those celebrities, when we say then they shout yes, so our local, all of them now they are nowhere to be found. I know say one day they themselves then go taste this thing where we say then they let innocent people they face, because me I no understand. Una go dey vote, una go dey say okay now una dey there. At the end of it all, the things wey be say una suppose do to protect the lives and properties, una no dey do am. But inside una campaign, una talk say una go do everything for the people. My brother, my sister, everybody now don't come outside to say like this. So hey, now only Yoruba nation as we dey talk am, now him go fit do am. All the people wey be say then they shout before say forget Yoruba nation. Everybody now you don't clear for their eyes. I dey sure say this man wey escape himself go there among the people wey go say Nigeria e go better, Nigeria e go better. But now where it don't happen, I know say all of them go dey shout say oh Sunday Igboho, thank you very much Sunday Igboho. Now here we know. My brother, my sister, no be small something. Now everybody don dey talk am say like this o. Na only Yoruba nation na him be the solution. Na only Yoruba nation na him go fit do am, because all this government personnel we don talk tire. Okay, make dem prefer way to secure us, but dem no gree. Make dem prefer way to help us, dem no gree. But see wetin come dey sup now. My brother, my sister, this one is strong. Now tell me now, all those people wey be say dem carry go, wey dem say make dem go bring how much sef, make dem go bring 30 million. My brother, my sister, those people get that kind of amount of money, na im dem dey pass road dey travel. At least if dem get that kind of money, dem go don enter flight go where dem dey go, come back. But see wetin dey happen now. Make all this our governors make them open their eyes, because there's a Fulani people, they know the joke at all. My brother, my sister, now the news will be say they reach us now be this. We are say make a let on know as they hot, and then I see the bona. Okay, until I come on our way next time, my brother, my sister, if this one now your first time will be say you dey join us onto this channel, I beg you make you try your best to make you subscribe, make you help us to share, thumbs up, so that it go viral. Until I come on our way next time, my people, I say on a bye for now.